Hello everyone. Today I would like to review or to show about our project that we call free energy water pump. Yes, I use with the orange same to the red drum, right? Red drum or tank. Yes, it's a man drum. Yes, I use it for making the pressure to suck the water from this well, right? So, and don't forget when you install or follow this kind of project, you have to use this kind of drum. Yes, we can call metal drum. No. Don't use the plastic drum like this. Plastic drum is easy to deform, right? So it cannot make the pressure to suck water from this well here. So the other one, yeah, this project I just use one valve check here for filling the water to this main drum. Before we process our project, immediately I open the end of the output pipe. We have to fill the water to this main drum until it full. When we open the end of the output pipe, the water will come out by this output pipe, and then this drum will make a pressure to suck water from this deep well. So don't forget, when you install or connecting between pipe to pipe, you have to use the glue that make sure no leaking water or air. If you have any leaking or air to this main drum, you cannot process really fail. So another one, okay, then out. And here you can see the white plastic here. Then we can call the air pressure. Air pressure it is very important. Yes, it can stop the air when it comes back from the end of the output pipe. Make sure it cannot go to this main drum. If you have only air go to in this main drum, probably it cannot successfully fail. Okay, and then now I have to close it like this properly, and then okay, let's go to see with me. Now that's it. Go. Okay, and right now we got the end of the output pipe. Here the end of the output pipe I use with the 34mm pipe, right? With the pipe, and from here until to the main drum of the well around 30 or 40mm, 40 meter. So the output pipe you have to use a long one, because when we open the end of the output pipe, it can make the pressure to suck water from the tank well. Okay, how does it work? I start to open it. Okay, here's all. And it's right. In the first time we like this, but if this project is very important for the people in the countryside, in the place without electricity, and can see or send this kind of video, so this kind of video to your village, to your community, to your friends or other people that you know, they can follow my projects to set up in their community, because it don't need a lot of money. Just spend one time in mutual money, set up, and then you can use forever. It is 24 hours per day non-stop, right? Because it's no electricity. You just use the compressor to suck the water. Okay, and right now, the last list, I would like to say thank you so much. You have to spend the very time to see my review, my video today. Hope see you in the next video. Thank you so much.